I'm excited to share IGK's new at-home color kit with you guys. I love getting my hair done at the IGK salons, but this is a great alternative for when we can make it to the salon. I want to boost my hair color and make it look shiny and healthy, so I'm excited to try it out and show you guys. This kit is super easy to use and easy to follow. When you open the box, you have the instructions right there. It folds out into a map that you can place your products out and follow each step. Let's get started. Part hair into 4 sections and put a clip on to separate it. Apply barrier cream to skin so that color won't stain your skin. Apply to forehead along the hairline. This cream protects the skin from getting stained by color, so I definitely want to apply it to my hairline and tops of the ears, just in case I get color on my skin. I can easily wipe it off. Mix the activator and color cream together and shake it well. You start on your back section and apply color from root to tip. Continue coloring the other back section and fully distribute product. Move on to top 2 sections and completely color hair. Comb through for even distribution and saturation. Let hair process for 35 to 40 minutes. Fully rinse hair clean until the water runs clear. Wash it with shampoo, and then you apply the mask included in the kit and leave it on for 5 minutes. Then rinse. Okay guys, this is my final look using the color kit. I love how my hair looks super shiny and the color looks super rich. You can find this color kit, which include a range of 25 shades on igk.com or at Ulta.